This piping design has a very simple pattern of 2 loops up and 1 loop down, and you just keep repeating that. You can play with the spacing of this and also the size of your tip. This is a number 12 plain tip. It's a little larger on the plain tip, so it's good for something that's really fun, like a kid's birthday cake or a baby shower cake. Now I'm using a smaller number 5 tip, and you can see what a difference it makes in sort of the playfulness of the larger tip versus something that's still fun but a little bit more elegant when we use the smaller tip. You can also play with the spacing of this border, so we can keep it nice and open and wider spacing like the technique before, or you can really scrunch it up and make it really tight.